So, guess what we're gonna do today? We are going to do a unboxing video of our David Austin bare root rose. So, I'm in Mobile, Alabama. So at the USDA Zone 8B. So David Austin, usually they ship your rose when you according to your zone. So when they know your area is the time to start planting, then they will send it to you. So you just have to wait patiently until it's the time for your area to start growing roses. That's when they're gonna send it to you. So this is their box. I know they looks pretty nice. They will come with a planting guide as well. I think there's some nice information in there for you to read. I'm gonna leave that to y'all to read. So today I'm gonna show you what I got here. So I have Evelyn, Tamora, Pat Austin, the Ingenious Mr. Fairchild, Noble Anthony, Barbara Austin, and then over here I have Strawberry Hill is for my friend, and then Charles Darwin, Jubilee Celebration. Now the Jubilee Celebration actually is a replacement of my previous year Jubilee Celebration, because it actually got killed last winter. So they are sending me a replacement. This is why I like David Austin so much, because they actually offer 5-year warranty on their roses. And then I have a sweeter, I think, I don't know how to say that. Sweeten Climbing Rose, Charles, Rennie, Mackintosh. This is the purple rose. So I am very excited for this. And if you notice, most of these are the older variety of David Austin. I just love the David Austin older variety so much, like a lot more better than the newer variety, because I noticed they grow pretty well in my area. So before they discontinue this old variety, I just want to collect them and just grow them, you know, in my garden and try them out, you know. So let me open it up and show you how the bare root looks like. When you open it up, it's wrapped in a plastic bag. It looks like this. Okay. Let me get them out one by one. Alright. This is my Charles, Rennie, Mackintosh. Ooh, look at that. Looks really good. I love what I'm seeing. You see how beautiful these canes are? And I'm looking at the root. The root looks good also. Beautiful. So when I take it out, usually you put in the water to soak it for a day. I usually just pop it inside my pond. I have a fish pond right here. I just soak it there until I'm ready to grow them. So I'm just gonna do it one by one. And then here is, ooh, you have a drop. You have, this is, what is this? This is a Strawberry Hill. Not bad looking also. Might need to trim, you know, you see how this is like rubbing against one of the main cane. Might need to trim that off. No big deal. Still a lot of beautiful cane on it. Also another beautiful root. Just pop it in there. I probably should wash it first. Never mind. I'm gonna wash the rest. Okay, let's see what else I have here. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at how gorgeous is this. This one is Sweeten. Oh my god, I'm so bad. Somebody has to teach me how to read this name. Sweeten. Okay. Look at how many canes. So beautiful, so thick. I might need to trim some of the cane, but hey, that is gorgeous. Look at the root. Gorgeous. Or I'm just gonna put it here. Another one. Oops, the tag is coming up. This is Charles Darwin. I'm just gonna pop it right back in there. I don't want to lose it. I don't know why I'm growing. Alright. Alright, this one only had 3 cane. But you know what? It looked a lot like the on root, but I think that is the graft. Alright. So this one is not that bad. It has 3 cane. So 3 cane is the minimum. Okay. If you have 3 cane, you're fine. So usually if it's a lower grade, you only have 2 cane. So 3 cane is supposedly a good grade rose. So that's Charles Darwin. The last one I have. What's this one? Let me see. Bear with me. I'm single-handedly doing this. Jubilee Celebration. Ooh. I think it looks much better than the one I got before. The one I got has a very tiny bitty cane. This cane is so much more bigger. I'm excited for this already. I think it's gonna be good. Alright. Let's put it here. Next one. Wow. Oh my goodness, do you see this? Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Wow, look at that. What is this one? This is Evelyn. I'm impressed with this Evelyn. It's so beautiful. Look at how thick is this cane and how strong is the new growth. Oh, I love it. This is awesome. It's beautiful. I'm happy with it already. Next, I have, this is what Tamora. Ooh, I can see Tamora super tony. See that? Okay. Not bad, not bad. And this, oh my, this is so thick. What is this? This is Pet Austin. Another beautiful one. I do need to trim off this piece right here. But let's see. Beautiful, beautiful root. This year root is really good. I'm impressed. Next is, what is this? Barbara Austin. This is David Austin mom. It's the name of David Austin mom, Barbara Austin. I'm really, really looking forward for this one. It's supposing a very pink color. Okay. And then I have, wow, this is beautiful. Ooh, the Ingenious Mr. Fairchild. This one supposedly looks like peony a lot. I'm very, very, very excited about this one. Mr. Infamous Fairchild. And then I have, the last one is, where's this one? This is Noble Anthony. This one, I do not hear many people growing it, so I'm kind of curious. Oh, I have one broken cane. Look at that one. That is supposed to be a beautiful one. It's okay. I still have many. So sad. That's fine. Alright, so I have all this. I'm going to wash their mud off and put it inside my pond. I hope my fish is not gonna mind. I don't think they mind at all. And then after they soak well, I am going to show you how to plant them in the pot, because you know I'm planting everything in the pot over here. So stay tuned. I'll be back for how to plant bare root in the pot.